via Leeds Street junction and the down Southport line. Our train is leaving Kirkdale Depot at the south end. The outlet signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 202, provided with a position light for movement towards the neck. Maximum speed leaving the depot 15 miles per hour. This is Kirkdale South Junction. We are now on the up Ormskirk line, maximum speed 50 miles per hour. Immediately ahead is a tripcock tester, the indication for which is mounted on the signal post. The next signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 200. This is Sandhills junction. We are entering Sandhills Station Platform 1 on the up Southport line. The platform starting signal in the up direction is a 2-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 54, accompanied by a position light for movement towards the reversing siding. Ahead is an advanced warning indicator for an upcoming speed restriction of 30 miles per hour. The next signal is a 2-aspect relate Mike Lima 52 Romeo. The next signal, which is not fitted with AWS, is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 52. When this signal is cleared without junction indication, a route is provided to the up Southport. When cleared with junction indication position 4, a route is provided to the down Southport. A train stop is fitted at this signal. We are routed to the down Southport. This is Leeds Street junction, maximum speed to the down Southport line 25 miles per hour. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. Between Leeds Street junction and Liverpool Central station, the down Southport line is bidirectional. The next signal, not fitted with AWS, is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 38 equipped with a train stop. Ahead is an advance warning indicator for an upcoming speed restriction of 15 miles per hour. We are approaching Moorfields low-level station, maximum speed 15 miles per hour. Maximum speed now 30 miles per hour. Our next signal on the right-hand tunnel wall is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 32 with route indicator. When cleared with indication D, a route is provided to the down Southport. When cleared with indication U, a route is provided to the up Southport. This is Paradise Junction. Immediately beyond the junction is an advance warning indicator for an upcoming speed restriction of 15 miles per hour. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. This is Liverpool Central, North Junction. The next signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal, Mike Lima 26. We are entering Liverpool Central Station, platform 1.